If you want to transform your life in 25 days, you are in the right place. Listen to me very carefully, my darlings. Today, I will give you the exact 5 steps I used to rebuild my life from zero. If you follow those steps, starting from today, in 25 days, you will not recognize yourself. Hi guys, I'm Anna Goldman, and yes, this year absolutely broke me. But these 5 steps made me as stronger as ever. Stronger, healthier, happier, and more self-respecting than I've ever been. And today, I want to give you this exact roadmap, step by step, so you can transform your life too. Step number 1, and let's call it fasting from your current environment. Because if you really want to change your life, you must leave your environment, as nothing changes until you change your surroundings. Because your city, your room, your routine, your streets, they all hold your memories, your triggers, your pain, and your old identity. And if you stay there, you will guaranteed repeat old patterns again and again. Your environment equals your behavior. So when you change your environment, your behavior changes automatically. Good news for you, you don't need to fly across the world. But what you can actually do, you can go to another town, you can go to another city. If you're as adventurous as me, you can even go to another country. But in any case, you can just go to another part of your own city. But you absolutely must change your current scenery. Just please don't stay in the hotel. As from my own experience, hotels feel like holidays, vacation, not your life transformation. And you need a real home to rebuild your life. And this is why for every reset in my life, I choose urban rest. Whenever I feel that crisis coming, or I just need to change the narrative of my life, I just book an apartment with urban rest. Because it's a whole apartment and not just a hotel room. That kitchen, mamma mia! So you can eat clean and reset your body right away. Those fantastic co-working spaces available 24/7 where you can start planning your new life. And of course, that 24/7 gym. So you can rebuild your strength again and get some muscle mass. Beautiful design, so your mind constantly feels at rest. Quiet. Even in the very heart of London, you cannot go any more central than this. So you can finally relax, rest, and sleep. And you really start feeling that you're living your new life already. This is the best, perfect environment for a proper transformation. So if you're going through that heartbreak, burnout, or your life reset, you really need a place that feels like restart. And urban rest does it for me every time. Link in the description if you want to check the apartments all around the world. So, step 1, my darlings. Leave, reset, and create enough space for that new you. Step number 2, really tough one, was the most challenging for me. Radical disconnection or detox. Full detox from your pain. This is essential, especially for the first 3-5 days. You absolutely must detox from social media stalking, the person who hurt you, any sort of validation from others, comparing your own life to anyone out there, emotional eating, please control it, and any other noise from outside world. I call this silence therapy. Asian Romans used to have a fantastic tradition called otium, a period of time when they stopped everything, fully focusing on themselves. No noise, no distractions, no self-restoration. You need the same, my darling. You need the same. Delete old chats, all of them. Block everyone who is triggering you. Please stop checking their stories like a spy, even from a fake account. Do not stop checking anything and everything related to them. Please do. And please, I know it sounds hard, but please stop telling your pain story to everyone around you, to like anyone you meet. Stop telling it to people, please. The only option, I would say 2 options here, your psychotherapist and journaling. If you're in pain, if you feel like you want to talk, but you cannot afford therapy right now, journal. Just put all your pains, all your thoughts, everything you feel in a journal. Just keep writing until it feels easier. And again, girl, if you're going through a breakup and you feel heartbroken and God forbid you're like me, just left alone roofless in another country, like approach me directly. send me an email. Also my Instagram, just approach me and we will try and I'll do my best. I can help you to sort you out. 3 words for now: silence, stillness, rebuilding. Believe me, your nervous system currently needs those days to reboot. Step 3, and this is exactly where real magic starts. And here we'll start reprogramming your beliefs. Or how many people call it, including me, identity shift. Day 5 to 10 is the exact period of time when your brain starts to rebuild. And this is the exact moment when you decide who you are becoming. In my book, upcoming book, I specifically talking about identity recalibration. Yes, identity recalibration. When you take a notebook, like a real notebook, and you write down physically with your hand. Somebody was journaling since April, so you write down your old version of yourself and new version of yourself you are becoming. What she tolerates, what she would never tolerate, how she speaks, how she walks, how she dresses, who does she date, who she never dates, her standards, her calm, her discipline, her entire new identity. Because your transformation is not about actions, it's always about your identity. And once you said, this is my new life, your further actions automatically flow. It's psychology, it's neuroscience, it's predictable, and yes, it works. My favorite one, and let's talk about step 4. Transform your body. As your emotional detox happens in your body first. Listen to me carefully now. You cannot heal your mind in a body full of stress, as your body always holds your trauma, your anxiety, your fear, your anger. So for the next 10 days, I want you, and you must. First and the most important, you sleep for at least 8 hours. You walk for at least 10,000 steps every day. You eat clean. Check my Roman diet structure. You drink at least 2-3 liters of water. Clean water. No sugar, no alcohol, no emotional eating. Light workouts will also do the job. When I rebuilt my life in April, I lost 4 kilos in the first 10 days. Just from removing that stress, anxiety and inflammation. Walking is therapy. Cooking, healthy cooking is therapy. Silence is therapy. And yes, doing all of this in urban rest apartment makes it 10 times easier. Definitely, clean space equals clean mind. Step 5, and you will love it. Massive action for your new life strategy. Day from 15 to 25, this is the exact time where real magic happens, and you can already see it, you can sniff it, you can smell it. And this is exactly when you start applying for much better jobs, cleaning your finances, reorganizing your home, planning your next move, creating your new routine, starting your new passion, meeting new exciting people, breaking your old habits and building your upgraded self. And this is exactly where you finally realize, I deserve better, I can have better, I will get better. And 25 days is not random, my darlings. It's the minimum number of days your brain needs to create new patterns. And once your brain sees new environment, new habits, new identity, new routine, new healthy choices, it protects it like a treasure. And this new life, this new identity becomes your normal. And your old life, oh God, it looks so small. Too small for you to even look back. And my final message to all of you, my darlings. If I could rebuild my life from zero, heartbroken, ruthless, financially empty, you can rebuild yours too. Even faster and even better. And you're only one decision away now from a completely different life. Start today. Follow these 5 steps. Give yourself just 25 days and see the whole magic unfolds for you. And I wrote this whole story in my upcoming book, How to Get Out of Toxic Relationships and Transform Your Life in 25 days. And if you want a safe place to reset your life, exactly as I did, thank you again, Urban Rest, for giving me such a fantastic space for the second time to heal and transform. The link in the description, guys. I love you all so much. Be brave, stay strong, and become that brand new version of yourself, much better version, much happier version and healthier version as well. I can't wait to see those results. And I can't wait to see you on my channel again in 1 week. I love you so much. See you later and enjoy your transformation.